Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southeast of Blackburn, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations seen or near the path include Harmony, Cleveland, Osage, Blackburn, Tilton.
I'm in that area. Where's this up? Doubleheader! Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Milwaukee County in northeastern Oklahoma until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oologah, moving north at 30 miles per hour.
Oologah.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations seen or near the path include Milwaukee, Oologah, Palawa, Lualu, Wauwatosa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Triple header? Yes!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma until 6:30 p.m. Central
I was just looking at Osage.
At 5:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Kaw City, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
That's the Oologah phone.
Hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations seen or near the path include Fairfax, Shidler, Burbank, Alberson.
Get another one?
5 p.m.
Okay.
at the Tulsa
That's insane. I got 3 times, but y'all might only got 2 times.
2.59. Relative humidity 53%.
That's insane.